That's ugly.
Welcome back to my channel, beauties, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alicia. Today's video is all about contact lenses. Yes, girl, we are going back to the 99 2000s, okay? At least I know I was wearing color contact lenses in the 99 2000s. Just for Kira sent me 6 of their color contact lenses to try out for you guys, review for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you are interested in seeing how these contact look, and trust me, you will be, then stay tuned. They come in this clear contact lens case, and I actually really like this. And I also like how it comes with tools in the case to help you pick up and put on the lenses. The first one I'm going to try on today is called Gem Gray, and it looks like this. Okay, beauties, so this is Gem Gray. It's so weird seeing myself in these bright colors, but it is so pretty. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. I like them. I think they're so cute. The next one I'm going to be trying is called Crystal Brown. And I figured I want to give you guys a brown color because sometimes, like, as you can see, my eyes are dark brown. But sometimes you want a little bit lighter, but you still want it to be kind of more natural. So Crystal Brown, I'm hoping it's going to give me just that. Alright, so I'm really feeling these ones. It's just my eyes, but better. So it's a little bit lighter than my normal eye color, but it's still like a nice honey brown. I like it. I haven't put on contacts for at least 3 years, and I'm surprised at how easy these are just going in. Like, I don't know, I guess all them years of doing it, it just came right back, like riding a bike kind of thing. So literally I'm just popping them in super quick, super easy. It feels comfortable. I'm loving them. I'm loving them. I'm feeling myself. Like, these are cute. So these are Crystal Brown. I just love the way that they blend. They blend so naturally. Color contacts that I used to wear were hazel, but it was like it's sitting on top of my brown eyes. You can see the separation between the contact and my eyes. The way these Just for Kira contacts are, they're totally just, the blend is so natural that I feel like it just makes it a lot more natural looking. Like, I don't know if anybody's gonna really question me, like, these are my eyes, you know what I mean? All right, guys, so this is Crystal Gray. Oh my God. Why am I feeling like a Snapchat filter right now? No. This is so cute. Like, I love this one. I love this one. It's definitely like an icy gray color. I love it. Tell me what you guys think down below. Of course, let me know. Of all the ones that I'm trying on, let me know which one is your favorite. But I'm feeling these ones. Okay, guys. So the next color that I'm going to try on is called Aurora Blue.
That's ugly.
Okay, y'all, so this is Aurora Blue. I had to get a dramatic color, of course. I mean, why not? I can totally see this with some blonde hair. So bomb. Don't forget to let me know what you guys think about these, but this is Aurora Blue, and I actually really like it. I really do. All right, guys, so the next color I have is called Sita Hazel. Okay, so these are the Sita Hazel ones, and I actually was wearing them all day yesterday, so I'm already used to these. They were creeping my family out. But these are pretty. The only thing is, like, it said hazel and it kind of has that brown color, but they're coming off more of like a super icy gray, like almost white gray. If I had put my actual measurements for my eyes, it would have fit better. I find like these ones are not fitting as good as the other ones, but still natural and still pretty. So Just for Kira was nice enough to send a coupon code. So in case you guys want to purchase a pair or two, so you'll get 20% off just using my code AliBeauty. Super nice of them. So go ahead, if you are planning on purchasing one, don't forget to use the coupon code. I'm going to leave it right across the screen and of course in the description box, so check that out. Last but not least, we have Sunita Gray. Not sure why I got all these grays, but anyway, this is Sunita Gray. We are gonna try this one on. I'm actually really loving the tool. It's just going so quick because of this tool. Okay, so seriously, these gray ones have me shook. Like, I don't even know which one I like better. Wow, this is so pretty too. I think it's fair to say that they have mastered the grays. If you like gray eyes, you need to purchase one of these grays. This is so pretty. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. It has like a blue gray on the outside and then the gray in the inside. You are liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Big thank you to JUST4KIRA for collabing with me. I'm loving these lenses. So if you are interested in these, everything is going to be in the description box below. I was able to pick 6 of their lenses, but they have many more: blues, greens, grays, browns. So I would say definitely check them out. And if you are going to make a purchase, of course, go ahead and use my coupon code AliBeauty. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.